Hello, TOEFL students. So, for the last assignment, you looked at some questions and you identified the subjects, the verbs, and what is missing from the sentence. Today's assignment, we're going to look at the answers and choose the correct answers. It's really important on TOEFL structure, questions 1 through 15, that you look at the sentence first and you identify what is missing before you look at the answers. I know you might be nervous and you want to finish quickly, so maybe you think that looking at the answers first is faster, but it is not. You will get the correct answer if you look at the sentence first and identify what is missing, and then look at the answers. When you know what is missing, you know what your answer needs, and you can eliminate obviously wrong answers. If you see that the sentence has a subject but needs only a verb, then you can eliminate the answers that do not have a verb. And you can eliminate the answers that have a subject and a verb, because you know you already have a subject. So this strategy is really important. I want you and all of these practices at home and all of your homeworks for structure questions 1 through 15. I want you to first look at the sentence. Identify the subjects and verbs and figure out what is missing before you look at the answers. Okay? Because we can use this information to find the right answer and to eliminate the incorrect answers. So, that is what we are going to do today.
It's important to remember the structure strategies for questions 1 through 15. Don't look at the answers right away. Identify the subjects and verbs. Objects of prepositions can't be subjects. Remember, objects of prepositions are the first noun that comes after a preposition. Think about the formula: connector, subject, verb, object. If you have one clause, you have 0 connectors. If you have 2 clauses, you have 1 connector. Look for reduced adjective clause. What's missing in the sentence? And then use this to eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Number 1. This sentence is missing a subject. Let's look at the answers and eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Apple and boy both have verbs. Our sentence already has a verb, so they are not the answer. Cat plants flowers has 2 nouns. That's not right. Dog flowering plants. We see a present participle here. There's no be verb in front of it, so it is not a verb, it's an adjective. And then there is the subject, plants. So D is our answer. Number 2, we know the sentence is missing a verb, so now we can eliminate the obviously wrong answers. Apple, obtaining, that's a present participle, but it does not have a be verb in front of it. So it is not a verb, it's an adjective. So apple is not the answer. Boy has a subject, they. Our sentence already has a subject. So boy is not the answer. Dog also has a subject. So dog is not the answer. So then our answer is cat. It's the only answer with only a verb. Number 3 has a subject and a verb. So we said our answer needs to have a connector a subject and a verb, or something else, like a reduced adjective clause. So now let's look at the answers and eliminate obviously wrong answers. Cat has a verb, but it does not have a subject or a connector, so that is not the answer. Dog has a subject and a verb, but no connector, so that is not the answer. None of these answers have a connector, subject, and verb, so that means we're looking for something else. Boy is a past participle. So let's think about the 3 things we need to remember about reduced adjective clauses. They often follow a noun. Look, right before the blank is a noun, canvas. They have no connector. There's no connector. They often begin with a participle, present or past. Here is a past participle. So this is a reduced adjective clause. Canvas stretched over a frame. The non-reduced clause would be canvas that was stretched over a frame. Now, your assignment for today is to look at these sentences again, think about what is missing, eliminate the obviously wrong answers, and then choose your correct answer. As always, if you have any questions, you can send me a message. Good luck!